My name is Daniel Shenton, and I'm currently in my second year of a biochemistry PhD at the University of Manchester. I've always been interested in intellectual property, and as part of my PhD, I decided to do a work placement with the University of Manchester's Innovation Factory. So, for people that don't know, the Innovation Factory is the University of Manchester's technology transfer office. They offer so much support to academics. The innovation discovery team hosts regular casual outreach events where you can literally just come and have a chat about your research and its potential. So whether that's in a spin out or as a licensed project. Since working with the Innovation Factory, I realised that it's never too early to start talking to them about your research.
It's been a really valuable experience understanding how IP is protected, and it will definitely help me further down the line in my future research career.